Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Temu support. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just gotten started with Temu and maybe you're running into any issues. How do you actually go ahead and contact support? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually contact Temu support is that first you're going to log onto the app, and then on the bottom hand side you want to click on the U icon. Next, from here you're going to click on your orders, and then from here on the upper right hand side you're going to see a pair of headphones icon. You want to click on that. So here is the support page where they have pre-built helpful articles. They have pre-built helpful articles which you can browse around and actually read about. So they do categorize it based on order issues, shipping and delivery, security, payments, and promos. But if you still have a problem and one of these articles don't solve your problem, you can click on the Contact Us button at the bottom, and then here you'll be able to type a message to Temu customer service. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and contact Temu support. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.